So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Life360 no network or phone off error. So if you want to fix the Life360 errors that are connected with some pop-up that's going to say no network or phone off, you need to make sure that your target phone has an active internet connection. So let's open the app. So through here, once you set up your circle and your group, you will need to ensure that they have those specific phones that have live internet connections, and you will need to turn off battery savers, and after that verify the location permissions are set to always allow. So this is within your iOS device, or if you're using Android, just make sure that it says allow, and just add that precise location to be turned on that specific device as well, so not just your device. And after that you can suggest that restarting the device or re-logging into the app is going to force a refresh. So these are some of the different ways and approaches you can have to setting up your Life360 or rather clearing those errors, so you don't have to worry about those anymore. So it really does come down to this setup right there. So that's about it. Just make sure those precise locations, stable internet, no battery savers and stuff like that are turned on the device, so you can use it more effectively within Life360. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.